set.
Hello, my name is Christian. This is Connor, Alden, and Sean. I want you to imagine with me for a moment being a part of creating something that millions of people enjoy every day. In 2013, EA, Electronic Arts, acquired the rights to make Star Wars games. In November 2015, they released a reboot of Star Wars Battlefront, and by the end of December 2015, it sold over 12 million copies. Star Wars popularity speaks for itself, and we chose to model this slide in this manner because as someone who doesn't know what Battlefront means can link it automatically with Star Wars, and because the contrast of yellow over black works well. Another franchise largely successful over a long period of time is Battlefield, and my friend Connor will take it away.
So we collected data on the different sales level of the games, and we chose to present it in a pictograph. In the bottom it goes in oldest game to newest game, and we chose each icon to represent 1 million. So as you can see, 1.4 is represented by 1 and a fourth of a missile. And we chose the contrast of black and white because it's easier for people to see depending on like the quality of the picture, and so we had to turn down the lights to begin. And we used the logo all the way through as a repetition, so that way people knew the Battlefield logo is a little bit more prominently known than if we just say Battlefield. And the reason why it's top left is so it's overarching everything in the sales, since we didn't really want to focus necessarily on that. We just wanted you to get the numbers of which ones are more popular than the rest. And lastly, we have the alignment of each one going up straight in a line, so that way it looks cleaner than if we just kind of scatter them and they're like crisscross, zigzagged all over the place. And the numbers are on top of them for the proximity, so you know that the numbers in relation to the statistic we're talking about. And next, Alden will talk to you. And Sean.
Hi. So FIFA and Madden are EA's biggest brands, and a big company like this would like the top of each sport in order to boost their brand. So they used a white background with Messi and Johnson?
I think so.
Alright. And they used the white background to create a major contrast. The same is in our presentation with the actual image being white and having a black background behind it in order to bring all the attention onto the players, just like how the games boxes actually do. And now here's Alden with.
Okay, so when I was designing this infographic, I attempted to follow the craft principles as best as possible. First, we started with the contrast, which is the black on, it looks white on this, but it's actually gray. Black on gray. The alignment, we used an alignment of like the video game controllers as like a bar graph essentially. It just represents like what the bar graph height would be like. As far as alignment goes, we used the alignment up here as the title because it's the top, it's the most important thing. The left alignment of the key to represent, you're usually looking at the logo first, so the second thing you want to look at is the key. And then the last thing is the proximity. And similar to the alignment proximity of, obviously you have the bottom part with the titles for each thing sold, average hours per day, user base and graphics. And I guess the proximity is just everything is aligned very closely together and it's very easy to read. Thank you for listening to our presentation on EA Sports.